आप लोग की ईज के लिए मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा। एक सेकंड ना सर। जो एच डी एफ सी बैंक होम लोन जो करती है वो इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम है जिसके लिए करती है, उसका नाम है एच डी एफ सी लिमिटेड। एच डी एफ सी लिमिटेड 1977 से भारत में होम लोन्स कर रही हैं। प्राइवेट सेक्टर की सबसे बड़ी हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी इंडिया में कोई है तो वो एच डी एफ सी लिमिटेड है। करंटली आज तक इन्होंने 70 लाख होम लोन्स किए हैं और लगभग 5 लाख करोड़ की होम लोन की बुक साइज है। इंडिया के हर बड़े और छोटे शहर के अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं और दे आर द बिगेस्ट होम लोन प्रोवाइडर्स इन द कंट्री एज ऑफ टुडे। जो होम
Manish,
लोन
Manish, just sorry to interrupt you. You can talk in English because people are from the other region who will not understand the Hindi actually.
So I will
So
repeat the
you
whole
word
thing in
in
English.
English, huh?
Yeah. So the people are there from South India, sir?
नहीं, no, मतलब from the Assam and also they will not
Okay, ठीक है।
understand Hindi actually. तो
Then, so I will repeat the whole thing here. The HDFC Bank sources home loans for HDFC Limited, which is a pioneer in housing finance, and they are into housing finance from 1977. Currently, they have sourced and done housing finance for at least 70 million customers, and the current book size is 5 lakh crores. They are the largest private housing finance company in the country, and they are present across all the major towns and cities in the country. So they are known for housing finance, means they are one of the best players in the housing finance process, product, rate of interest, after sale service. They are the pioneers into it. Why a customer needs to take a housing loan? There are multiple reasons. One, to have his own home. Second, if he's currently staying on a rent, he can save on the rent. One important benefit what the customer gets by taking a home loan is gets a tax benefit, not only on the principal payment he does to the bank, but also on the interest payment he makes. And as well as many customers avail a home loan as an investment option. So if he has his own home and he wants to buy a second home for an investment, HDFC provides housing loan for that purpose also. Why HDFC is a home loan? There are many reasons why there are many housing finance companies in the country, and majorly all banks provide housing finance. Why shall a customer choose HDFC as an option for a housing finance? There are multiple reasons. The first reason being the HDFC has a wide network of service centers pan India. So similar to HDFC Bank branches, there are also branches of HDFC Limited pan India. You will find it in all the major towns and cities, whereby the customer can get an after sale service once he takes the home loan. The next is the documentation process is very easy and it's very simple. Uh, so now the process has gone digital, that has made it more simpler. There are multiple schemes which are going on, schemes for doctors, schemes for government employees. Uh, so the customer can have different options, means we have segmented the product for targeting different customer base also. Plus the sales service, you will find in most of the housing finance companies and the banks, the after sale service is very poor, but due to the vintage of the institution like HDFC plus the wide network of the service center, there are no issues for after sale service for HDFC home loans. Whenever the customer takes a home loan, he has to submit his original title documents, property documents to HDFC. These documents are stored in a safe facility. So that is also a very important point. Where are those original property documents stored? So there are storage facilities across India, which are being made by HDFC, where the documents are safe. And when the customer repays the whole loan, these documents are returned back in same condition back to the customer. there are customized repayment options which are there. So the customer has an option to pay the EMI on the date he wants. So if the customer wants an EMI to go on 5th, 10th, 15th, 25th, 30th, all these dates options are available. It depends if the customer's salary comes on something like 10th and he wants an EMI to be going on 15th. So that option is also available. Then, as far as interest rate goes, HDFC is competitive vis-a-vis any of the nationalized and private player in the market. There are different rate of interest options. There are 2 years fixed rate option also available. So the customer do not have to worry about the rate of interest. It's one of the lowest and the most competitive in the market. And not only this, the HDFC provides legal and technical counseling to the customer. The property which he intends to buy, uh, is the property legally and technically sound, and it is as per the construction is as per the government laid down norms. This all things are being checked by HDFC before extending the loan. So the customer can rely on HDFC's expertise as far as checking of the legal and technical aspect of the property. Know what all the products are available. Product means what kind of properties do HDFC fund. HDFC does the proper, if the customer is buying it from a builder, yes, we do fund it. If he is buying a second sale in a resale home, yes, we will do. Then there is a top up loan. If the customer is having an existing home loan with HDFC, we do a top up loan. Then a balance transfer. If the customer is having a housing loan with any other financial institution, we will take over that loan. That is called a balance transfer. Then there is a home equity, where the customer already owns a home and does not have any loan over it. He can mortgage this property and avail a home equity loan. Then the next type is a home improvement loan. If customer has a home loan with HDFC and wants to do some improvements, something like tiling work, brick work, painting work, grill work, for all this stuff, HDFC will do a home improvement loan. Then there is an option available for non-resident Indians. So if the customer is staying outside India and he is a something salaried individual staying in any of the developing countries or developed countries, yes, HDFC will do the housing loan. Many of the customers in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities does a self construction. Self construction means the customer already owns a owns the land and wants to do a construction over that land to build his house. For doing the self construction, HDFC will extend the housing loan. Then there are in major towns and cities, there are municipal corporations which or the development authorities which build the home and allot it to the customers. In Maharashtra, we have a Mahada, SIDCO. In Delhi, we have Delhi Development Authority. They construct the home, and then they are being allotted to the customers through a lottery system. So these kind of properties are also being funded by HDFC Limited. The next thing is whenever the customer is looking for a balance transfer, we also tend to explore and give him a top up loan. And the top up loans up to rupees 50 lakhs comes at a home loan rate only. So this top up loan can be used to close his some existing small personal loans, or he has taken he can use this top up for some education purpose, wedding purpose, whatever the end use is, other than any speculation reasons, other than something like stock market and commodities. We will extend this top up loan looking at the valuation of the property and the eligibility of individual. What are the customer profiles we fund? One is a resident Indian. The next is for a salaried class resident Indian, whoever is working in India and drawing a monthly salary, we do the loans. If the customer is working overseas outside India, and draws a salary, monthly salary, we do the loan. So the second type is an NRI type. And as far as self-employed goes, HDFC does loans for professionals, chartered accountants, doctors, engineers, architects, and for non-professionals like traders, manufacturers, contractors, all the categories of the professions, the customer profile is open. There are no negative profiles at HDFC Housing Loan. The next is what are the product features, how much loan the bank will extend. Uh, HDFC will extend up to 90 when the loan is amount is up to 30 lakhs. We will do up to 90% of the cost of the property. If the loan amount is between 30 to 75 lakhs, we will do 80% of the cost of the property. If it is above 75 lakhs, we will do 75% of the cost of the property. For what is the tenor, maximum tenor of the loan? For salaried individual, we can do a loan up to maximum 30 years. For a self-employed individual or a self-employed professionals, we will do a loan from 15 to 20 years. The application can be done on a single name, also on a joint name. If an individual wants to add his wife's name into the property and even shifts a housewife, he can jointly apply for a loan. If he wants to add his parents, that also is open. We can also they can he can also add them as a co-borrower into the loan. And why a co-applicant is being sometimes only in the applicant's income is not sufficing for the loan eligibility. So many times we ask the customer or explore the customer for adding co-applicant can be wife, parents, son, daughter, anybody can be a co-applicant who is a earning member, and we can add their income for getting the eligibility done. As far as the rate of interest goes, the benchmark to which HDFC's home loan is being linked is called a retail prime lending rate, RPLR. So all our retail home loans are linked to this benchmark rate called RPLR. The next is important criteria. What is the maximum age what the loan should finish? For a salaried and a government employee, it is 58 years. At the age of 58, the loan should get complete. For a self-employed, it is 65 years. And what percentage of the monthly income we will take towards the EMI? It is anywhere between 45 to 55 percentage, depending upon what kind of salary he is drawing. Minus, we will also obligate if he is having any servicing any current loans with any other institution, or we will obligate that while finding out his eligibility. The minimum salary criteria for individual to apply is 15,000 rupees. He should draw at least more than 15,000 rupees to apply for a home loan. And for a self-employed individual, it is minimum is 1.8 lakhs rupees per annum. He should be drawing more than 1.8 lakhs per annum. And the next is we are currently running a processing fee offer, whereby the loans are for a salaried individual. The processing fee, maximum processing fee are charging currently is 3,000 rupees plus GST, which comes to 3,540. This offer keeps tend to change every month, looking at the market scenario. But at this moment, we are doing it at 3,540 rupees. And the most important thing is that in the post COVID period, when we know कि meeting the customer becomes difficult due to the COVID norms, the whole process is being digitized. The customer can apply the loan and the loan will get sanctioned sitting at his home or his office. He does not need to visit any of our branches to get his loan sanctioned. We will send a online link to the customer on his email. He can upload all his income documents and his KYC documents, his bank statements online, and pay the fees online, and the loan will be processed. It usually takes 5 to 7 working days for loan to get approved. That's it, sir.